Today we are at the grand opening of the Sixth Street Viaduct Bridge here in Los Angeles. Just opened a few minutes ago. One of the first few members of the public to stand on this $588 million bridge that connects Boyle Heights to the Arts District. The original bridge was built in 1932 and was torn down in 2016 when it was no longer structurally viable. This construction started in 2016 and just wrapped up, I think a matter of days ago actually. They were still putting some of the sides up, but it opens to the public today for walking. There's a festival, opens to pedestrians and bicycles tomorrow, and then Sunday evening it opens to cars finally. So let's go explore this 3,500 foot bridge between Boyle Heights and the Arts District. The Sixth Street Viaduct not only crosses the 5 and 101 freeways, it also crosses over the LA River and the Union Pacific Railroad lines. There are 10 sets of arches, which you can see behind me, ranging from 30 feet tall to 60 feet tall. And this is now what they say is the safest place to be in an earthquake in Los Angeles, is that it'll withstand a once-in-a-lifetime quake. Very cool. Now that the bridge is complete, work on the park underneath will begin. It's the Sixth Street Park. It'll be an open space with amphitheater for performances, and you'll access it from this really cool roundabout staircase here, or walkway, to what will be the park underneath. Here are some of the arches that lead over the railroad tracks and the LA River into the Arts District. Downtown LA is right behind us there. There's the 4th Street Bridge, which looks very similar to what the 6th Street used to look like, but the 6th Street Bridge had arches, which these new arches are a bigger version of what used to be here, clearly. So what we're looking at down below is Mission Street, underneath the bridge. And you can see all the different connectors. There'll be 5 sets of stairs plus this big, huge circular walkway that will take you down to street level and down to the park, which will soon be underneath. You will never see this clean ever again, so take a picture. Up above does have 2 lanes of vehicular traffic in each direction, east and west. There's also a protected bike lane next to the vehicular travel lanes, and then a protected sidewalk in each direction for pedestrians that has a concrete wall for safety in between. So you can walk, bike, or drive across the new viaduct. We're still walking down this roundabout here. This is quite a distance all the way down. While we're looking at this accomplishment, I have to say that it was, I believe, 2 to 3 years past completion date, and it was over $100 million over budget. So what you're looking at is $588 million here. And it's still not quite complete because of the park. I'm gonna look at the bottom of the bridge here. That's really cool. I think that's the seismic. It makes it shake, so if there is an earthquake, it doesn't snap. That's really cool. Look at that. Actually 790 feet long. This ramp is 3.5 stories tall, and then there's one of the 5 staircases that will be completed. Let's zoom in. So there'll be 5 staircases. Here's a look at the car travel lanes as well as the protected bicycle lane and the sidewalk for pedestrians. Of the bridge. Note that the east side of the bridge coming out of Boyle Heights is actually Whittier Boulevard, and then it turns into 6th Street right as it gets to the bridge. But over here, we're in the Arts District with downtown LA right behind us. We were just down here the other day for Black on the Block, the Juneteenth event. If you did not see that video, I'll put a link to that down in the description and at the end of this video so you can check it out. That was at the Wisdom right down here. On the other side of the freeway, right over there. So check that out. That is a monthly event at the Wisdom here in Arts District. We are here on the west side of the bridge, heading east from Arts District into Boyle Heights. Let me read you what this says. The original 6th Street Viaduct, constructed in 1932, included Art Deco features, 2 pairs of iconic steel arches, and was recognized as Los Angeles Historical Cultural Monument 905. The new viaduct, completed in 2022, last week, is a network-tied arch structure that is designed to withstand a 1,000-year seismic event. The viaduct was designed to provide enhanced safety features for pedestrians, cyclists, and vehicles for generations to come. Dedicated July 2022 by Mayor Eric Garcetti and City Council person for the 14th District here, Kevin De Leon, whose team is handing out goodie bags, which I got, which has a whole bunch of cool stuff in it. So we'll show you that in a second. Let's see what's inside. I know there is a water bottle at least. There is a cool paper fan, and it is warm today. There is a water bottle, cool sunglasses, and then some sunscreen. If you notice, there are no street lights on the bridge, and from the news clips that I watched last night, because there was a press media event, all the lighting is underneath here, and it's all LED, and it's underlit, so the bridge lights from underneath, and it can be changed to be any color. So let's say if the Dodgers win or the Lakers win, or for Pride Month something, it can be changed for whatever colors they want it to be. The entrance for today's event was on the Whittier Boulevard side, as I mentioned, so we're heading back over the bridge towards Boyle Heights. And today is an event, so there is a stage with some music. Ozomatli will be performing later. There are a bunch of curated food trucks and businesses from Boyle Heights that are here on location. There's also a lowrider car show, which I passed coming in, but I want to take a look at the bridge. So let's head back over there and see these cars. From Los Dorados, LA, we have some chicken tinga flautas and a Mexican bottled Coke. Look at the size of these things. Well, the part that didn't fall in my pants, actually really good. Para esa vez vamos a bailar. Lots of good performers on the way. Grab yourself something from the food trucks. Stay hydrated. La mujer Ozomatli is playing tonight. There's a mariachi band on stage right now. It is really hot and it's early in the afternoon. The event goes till 10, so I may come back later tonight to see the bridge with the lights on. I may not. I came back down here to check it out at night, and apparently they're at capacity. There's no place to park, so I'm actually underneath the bridge. So I'm going to do a drive around because I saw on the other side there should be a good shot of it. So we'll try to get some night shots from down below, and then maybe we'll come back another time to do the bridge at night. I ended up lucking out. I pulled over on the side of the road and heard a bang, got out, ran over on the street, and they were doing fireworks. Very cool. Sixth Street Bridge is officially open. end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. You can follow us on social media at the Funnel Cake Blog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thanks for watching from this historic day here on the 6th Street Viaduct in Boyle Heights.